Rubik's Spark. How to play. Shake and tilt the spark to wake it up. Keep the Rubik's logo clear. If it gets too dark, the spark will go to sleep. Alternatively, you can pull off the top and manually turn the spark on and off. When the cube first turns on, it will cycle lights between all the centers being lit for single player and all the corners being lit for multiplayer. Tilt the spark when the desired game mode is lit to select it. When playing multiplayer, after each level, there will be a brief pause to allow you to pass the spark to the next player. Rotate the cube when the next player is ready. The center cube on each face shows a different symbol. Rotate the cube and the flashing light will float to the highest point like a bubble. This is called bubble control. Move the flashing light to the center cube symbol for the game you want to play. There are 5 games. Each game you have 3 lives. After 3 lives, the game ends and your score is shown. The lightning bolt is tilt and zap. In this game, the flashing cube stays on the top face. A lit cube will move around the spark, and you must tilt the spark when the lit cube is adjacent to the flashing cube. If you miss, you lose a life. The question mark is follow the path. In this game, the spark will show you a path which you must remember, then repeat by moving the bubble. The crosshairs is seek and destroy. Use bubble control to guide the flashing cube to destroy all the other lit cubes. The snake is snack and snake. Guide the flashing cube to the blinking cube before it disappears. As you eat the lights, you grow a tail that you have to navigate around. The light bulb is light the cube. The spark will show you a pattern. You must then guide the flashing cube to light up the indicated cubes. The Rubik's logo is the DJ. This isn't a game, but rather, you rotate the cube to make different sounds and music for fun.